Hello my friend, how are you? Today I'm going to show how to make this logo and icon graphic in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First create a circle and create a rectangle. Now now select the both and convert it to path. Now set the size of this circle. You can choose according to your need, but both sides should be same and align it to center. Must enable the snapping option from here. Now snap these two objects like this. Change the color so we can see clearly. Now duplicate this one and arrange all these three objects like this. Change the color of this circle and select with the green and align it to bottom. Now select the blue one and duplicate it. Change the color, drag to up. Now select only these three objects and click on shape builder tool and select the shape like this. Apply from here. Now select this is a small object, change the color and click on union. Now select this object and click on union. Now select this one and duplicate it. Change the color. Now again duplicate it. Change the color. Drag to bottom. Select all these and apply some transparency from here. Zoom in this area and we need only half of upper object. Now select only these two, go to path and click on difference. Now select this circle and duplicate it. And reduce the size. First change the color. Now reduce the size of newly duplicated circle. Snapping option should be disabled. Reduce the size of blue one. Now select the both blue and green object and align it to center from both sides. Now click on difference. Now select this ring and again enable the snapping option and snap this object. Select all and remove the transparency. Now select the ring and change the color. Go to object and click on raise to top. Now select this one and change the color. Change the color from here. I suggest you can choose another color. I think this is okay. Actually I need golden color. Apply the same color. Copy from here. Copy the code. Now select this one and paste the code. Edit the color from here. Now select the blue one. Change the color. Now select this one and change the color. I think this is okay. Now select all these and rotate it. I think this is okay. Or you can adjust it. Now select all these and duplicate it. After duplicating, flip it and arrange all these objects like this. Now we have to cut the some part of upper object, so select only these two from here and duplicate it. After duplicating, change the color. You can see what I have selected. Change the color. Now go to path and click on union. You can see the red object. I am pressing Ctrl plus G for undo. Now create another rectangle. Select the both red object and go to path and click on difference. Now we have to create more rectangle. Select this red object and click on difference. Create a rectangle, select these two and click on difference. Sorry, we have by mistakenly clicked on union. Click on difference. So now select again red one and duplicate it. Change the color. Now again duplicate it and change the color. Now select blue and this object, click on difference. Now select this one and this one, click on difference. Now select this one and this one, click on difference. We have created our logo. You can adjust the shades of color. Select this object and change the and adjust the color. Now select this one. Edit the color. So guys, thank you for watching my tutorials and thank you for support. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.